very tempting, but stay tuned for a future video. I usually buy candles every time I come here to Target. I'd be getting rid of every single one of my candles. Every single one, and not buying any more. Stay tuned for that. Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is the One Box Challenge, which is hosted by Rachel at Sweet and Simple Home. Go on over to her channel and check her out. Rachel does this challenge every winter, spring, summer, and fall. If you want to play along, go get a box and start decluttering. So I've been wanting to purge all of my candles for a while now. I have become a little bit of a candle hoarder, and I want to stop that. And so I actually have set aside some of my candles since July, and I haven't really used them. And you know, there's other reasons why I want to get rid of them, because they're toxic, and I'm not going to sit here and tell you all the reasons why they're toxic. You could do your own research and figure that out for yourself. But yeah, so I did get rid of some already. And when I decluttered my craft room, because I had just set the box in my craft room, but here I am going to go ahead and get rid of some more today. So I had already purged all these candles recently in my craft room declutter and took 4 boxes to the Goodwill. And then Rachel announced her winter 1 box challenge. I totally forgot about that. But look at this. I still managed to get rid of some more candles. Actually, these are the ones I've already gotten rid of. And you'll see here in a minute of the ones that I am getting rid of today. There's this from the craft room. I'm not waiting to show y'all how much I got rid of that craft room. Those are going, yeah. Okay, these are the candles that I have already purged when I decluttered my craft room, which I've been working on since the beginning of January, and I'm going to continue on to the end of February. If you want to see that playlist, I will link it down below. And after I purged those candles, I took 4 boxes of stuff to the Goodwill, which brings me to today. So I still have some more candles to purge, so I usually keep the candles in this drawer. And like I said, I became a candle hoarder. So I want to get rid of most of these. I am going to keep a few things. So I am going to keep this decorative candle, and I want to keep this blue one because I really like that it has the wood top and I can clean it out and use it for something. And the same thing with this green one. Now you might say I could do that with all the candles, but will I ever get to it? No, so 2 is enough. And I have more candles in this thing and this buffet that is in my library, and I'm on the fence about keeping these wax warmers, so I will leave that to another day. And I do have these pillar candles, but I'm going to keep those, but these ones are looking a little sad, and I haven't been grabbing them anymore, and I basically use those for decorative purposes, but I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those. And then you can see me going back into my candle drawer and decide to get rid of these votives, which I'm sure are toxic too. And I never use them really, so I'm going to donate those. Okay, so this is all I have left is a couple candles and then the plug-in wax warmer. And I might relocate them somewhere else, but that is for another day. This is what I have been using instead of candles. It's a candle warmer, and I will put the link down below. I got it off of Amazon, and I just have some coconut oil in there with some essential oils. Now, it's not going to give you as much of a throw as a candle is, but again, they're toxic. They give me a headache, and I just need to get rid of all the toxins out of my household because I have an autoimmune disease, and I've been working on that slowly and surely, but working on it. I do have a few more candles laying around the house, but you know what? I think I'm going to keep that one. I don't know why, makes no rhyme or reason. And I do have this plug-in candle warmer that I do the same thing, essential oils and coconut oil. And I do have this salt lamp in my bedroom, and I heard recently that you could drop a few drops of essential oils on top of your salt lamp to give off a nice smell in your bedroom or wherever you have your salt lamp. And I have a candle in my guest room. I'm going to get rid of that. And what I have in my guest room is a essential oils diffuser, and I use that in here, or I move it to various rooms of the house. Currently I'm trying to do yoga, and I say trying to do yoga in here, and yeah, that's not going so good, but I'm trying. Okay, these are all the candles I am getting rid of, and I have this basket by the front door by my entryway that I use for random decluttering. Today was intentional decluttering, and the stuff in this basket was random decluttering that I have done. After I got rid of those couple boxes of stuff, I started a new basket, and these are the things that I found around the house that I no longer wanted when I was cleaning the house randomly. Then the next time I leave the house, I will take this stuff to the Goodwill. And don't forget to check out Rachel's channel at Sweet and Simple Home and the playlist below of everybody else who participated. And go get a box right now and fill it up and take it to the Goodwill. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe. I'm currently working on decluttering my classroom, and if you need some motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day and just keep swimming.